Hi friends, we are on our way to Athirapally Waterfalls, which is nicknamed as the Niagara of India, and it is the biggest waterfall in God's own country, that is Kerala, with a width of 330 feet, falling from a height of 80 feet. Athirapally Waterfalls is one of the most popular film shooting locations in India, and lot of tourists visit Athirapally. It is estimated that about 7 million tourists visit the falls each year. Some of the movies that have been shot here include Bahubali, Dil Se, Guru, Punnagai Mannan, etc. Aishwarya Rai singing the song Barsare Megha. Certain scenes were shot here. The Chalakudi River, originating in the Western Ghats, flows through the Vazachal forest towards the Arabian Sea, and on its course at Athirapalli forms these waterfalls. The railway station nearest to Athirapalli Falls is 30 kilometers to the west of Chalakudi railway station, and the nearest airport is Kochi International Airport, about 55 kilometers and 58 kilometers from the city of Thrissur. Athirapalli is easily reachable from Chalakudi and Angamalai by taxi and by bus. The path that you see is very strenuous one. This river basin is Chalakudi River Basin, and when we visited there was not much of a water flow in the river, and hence the waterfall may not be as exciting as it would be during full monsoon.